What if I told you this entire short film, the characters, the scenes, the music, everything, was created with AI inside one single workspace? And here's the best part. I submitted it to a contest with $300,000 in creator rewards. In this video, I'm going to show you my exact process, step by step, so you can do it too. Let's get into it. So first, what's this contest? It's called the Akool Creator Clash. Akool is giving away a share of $300,000 in creator rewards. The grand prize is $30,000 in cash, plus a one-year enterprise plan. There's $15,000 for the most creative entry, another $15,000 for the best ad, and 10 Akool Picks winners get $1,000 each. And even if you don't win any of those, every single qualified submission earns a $100 creator bonus. Yes, just for entering with a qualified video. The rules are simple. Your video has to be made with Seedance 2 on Akool. It needs the Akool logo in the corner, and you post it on Instagram, X, TikTok, or YouTube. Tag Akool, use the hashtag AkoolClash, and submit your link before September 15th. Your entry gets judged on 4 things: 40% creativity, 30% execution, 20% storytelling, and 10% for how well you use Akool. Keep those numbers in mind, they'll shape everything we do today. Okay, so what exactly is Akool? Akool is an all-in-one AI video generation suite. Think of it as your entire production studio in a browser tab. You've got image to video and text to video powered by all the top models: Seedance 2, Kling, Wan, Sora, Google Veo, all in one place. There's avatar video and talking avatar for AI presenters, face swap and character swap, video translation with realistic lip sync in over 150 languages, an image generator with models like GPT Image and Nano Banana Pro, plus voice cloning and text-to-speech. Normally, you'd need 5 or 6 different subscriptions to do all this. With Akool, everything lives under one roof, and that's exactly what makes the next feature so powerful. This is Agentic Canvas, and honestly, this is where the magic happens. This is the workflow canvas, and on the right side, you will find the agent. Now, if you enter your idea inside the agent chat box, the agent will create the script, screenplay, image, and videos for you. However, today, I will create the film using the manual mode. I have already generated a script for this film. I am creating a fantasy animated film. This is my script. Now I will extract all the key elements from this script. And to do that, I will use a master prompt. Don't worry, you will find the prompt in the description box. Just copy the prompt and then paste it under your script, and then hit the send button. The AI will extract all the elements from the script and then create a detailed image prompt for every element. As there are so many characters and elements in the scene, and every prompt is very detailed, so GPT is suggesting doing it in 4 parts. That's okay for me. I will just type continue, and GPT will start extracting all the elements. First, it will identify all the elements. After that, it will create a character sheet prompt for the first 3 characters as per the plan. Once the first step is done, just type continue, and then the second part of the prompt will be generated. So create all the key elements prompts from here. Once all the prompts are ready, we have to generate all the images. I will copy the first character prompt. Now, come back to Akool. Select Image Generator from the tool list. Okay, this is the Image Generator interface. Here, first we have to select the image model. You will find a bunch of options. Select which one you want to use. After that, we have to enter the prompt. I will paste the prompt in the prompt box. After that, we have to set the settings. First, the number of images. I will create only one image. Next, set the aspect ratio. After that, the resolution, then the image quality. In the end, you can add light. We don't need it. So I will skip. Once everything is set, hit the generate button. The image is generating. And here it is. Our first character, the protagonist, is ready. Let's have a look at this. This is really amazing. We have the character, front view, back view, and side view. We also have the close-up and expression. So what is the scene? Our character will remain consistent. Okay, now we have to create the second character image. The process is the same. Copy the second character prompt, paste into the prompt box, set the settings if needed, and once done, hit the generate button. Now, while the character is generating, I will start creating the third character. So copy the third character prompt, paste it into the prompt box, and then hit generate. Now in the same method, we have to generate all the characters. Okay, all the character images are ready, and you can see the result. Each one is high quality, very detailed, and visually stunning. I love all of them. Now, I will rename all of the character images so that I can find and use them as reference later. To do that, select the image, click on the 3-dot menu, and then select Rename. Now, Enter the name of the character. In this method, rename all the characters. Okay, all of our characters are ready. Now I will create all the location images. The process is the same. Copy the location sheet prompt, paste it into the prompt box, and then generate the images. Following the same method, generate all the location images. And here it is, all the location images are ready. And they perfectly fit our film story and style. Now rename all the location images so that we can find them later. Once done, we have to generate all the prop images. So take your time and generate all the prop images one by one. Once all the prop images are ready, rename them accordingly. Okay, all of our key elements are ready. Now we have to create the storyboard. And to create the storyboard, we need the prompts. To create storyboard prompts, I will use the next master prompt. Just copy the storyboard generator master prompt and paste it into the ChatGPT prompt box under all the key elements prompt. We have to create the prompts in several steps. So, take your time to generate all the scene storyboard prompts. Once all the prompts are ready, come to the first scene prompt and copy the full first scene storyboard prompt. Now we will generate the storyboard, as we need to add reference image, so we have to switch to image generator. After coming to the image generator, select the image model again. I am selecting GPT Image 2 model, and then enter the prompt in the prompt box. Now, we have to add all the reference images. So, click on the Add Image option. You can upload image from your device. However, as our generated images inside Akool, we will select the Result option from here, and you will find all your generated images. Come to the Image tab. Now, select all the required images. Here, you can find easily by name. That's the reason I renamed all the subjects. Once all the images are selected, click on Try this material. And here it is, all the images are added as reference. Now, we have to tag them inside the prompt. You can notice that, inside the prompt, we already have the reference prompt. Just select the subject and then tag the related image. Take your time to select the right image. Don't make mistake here, then the result will be very bad. Once all the reference images are set, come to the settings and customize it if needed. Once everything is set, hit the Generate button. The image is generating. And here it is. Our first scene storyboard image is ready. And look at this. It has 9 grid, and under every grid we have detailed scene description. According to the scene, this is a perfect scene for the start. Okay, our first storyboard image is ready. Now we will create the second one. Copy the second storyboard prompt, paste into the prompt box. Add all the related reference images. Tag all the images inside the prompt. After that, set settings and then generate the image. Now, while the second image is generating, I will start creating the third scene. Actually, I will create all other scene. The process is the same. Enter the prompt, add the related reference images, tag them, and then generate the images. Okay, all of our storyboard images are ready. And after reviewing them, I can say that they are really amazing. All right, all of our storyboard images are ready. Now, it's time to create the video clips. So, I am clicking here to find the video generator. You will find several video generator options here. We have to use this reference to video option. Okay, this is the video generator interface. Now, we have to select the video generator model. You will find a bunch of options here. I will select the Seedance 2.0 model. We have to select Seedance 2.0 to qualify to the competition. Now you can see that our mode is now first frame and last frame base, so we have to turn on the all-in-one creation mode. Now we can upload 9 images, 3 videos, and 3 audio clip as the reference. That's great. Okay, I will add the storyboard image first. So, click here, and then find the first scene storyboard image from our result. Once the storyboard image is added, we have to enter the video prompt. Don't worry, you will get the video generator master prompt in the doc file. Copy the prompt, and then paste into ChatGPT. As we have 13 scenes and every prompt will be very detailed, we need to generate the prompt step by step. So go ahead. And here it is, our first scene prompt is ready. So copy the prompt and come back to Akool. Enter the prompt. Now beside the storyboard, we also need to add all the related subject reference. So click here and then add all the related reference images. Once done, like the image generator, we have to tag them in the prompt. Now come to the settings. Here, you will find something very interesting. You can set the speed, camera movement, shot type, expression, atmosphere, light, and effect. We don't need any of them because we have the best prompt and reference. Now set the audio setting, then the number of video, the duration of the video resolution, and the aspect ratio. Once everything is set, hit the Generate button. The video is generating. And here it is. The video is ready. And look at this. This is a perfect opening for a high-paced action film. I love it. Now, let's create the second video clip. First, I will create the second video prompt. You just have to write continue, and ChatGPT will write the prompt for you. Once the prompt is ready, copy it and paste it into Akool's Seedance 2.0 prompt box. After that, add all the reference images for the scene, including the storyboard image. Once done, set the settings and then hit the generate button. And here it is, the second video clip is ready. Now, in the same method, create all other video clips. Okay, all the video clips are ready. Now save all the video clips and then stitch all of them to make the final video. This is my final video result.
Your Majesty.
The Sky Heart must survive. Protect our future.
So, we just now created this amazing AI film using Seedance 2.0 inside Akool. Following this method, you can create any kind of video. Alright, our film is ready. Now the final step, I will submit it to the Creator Clash competition. First, I'm posting the film on my socials. You can use Instagram, X, TikTok, or YouTube. In the caption, I tag at Akool and add the hashtag #AkoolClash. Both are required, so don't forget them. Then I head over to the Akool Creator Clash page, link in the description, hit Submit Your Entry, and paste in the link to my post. That's it. Done. And remember, just by making a qualified submission, that's a $100 creator bonus. Plus, now I'm in the running for the big prizes. The deadline is September 15th, 11:59 p.m. Pacific, so you've still got time. All the links and every prompt I used are in the description below. If this video helped you, drop a like, subscribe for more AI filmmaking tutorials. Now go make something amazing. I'll see you in the next one.